Good morning, students. Today, from the lesson Flying High, we'll be studying what do birds eat. So, what do birds eat? Birds eat different type of food. Some birds eat fruits, some eat plants, some fishes, seeds, nuts, worms, insects, etc. Let's see one by one. Let's take few birds and we'll see that what that bird likes to eat. Like crows and sparrows like to eat worms, seeds and grains. Whereas a woodpecker feeds on insects living in tree trunk. Insects means small insects living in tree trunk. The next is crane. Crane feeds on fishes. Vulture. Vulture eats small animals like rabbit, meat, and vulture also eats dead animals. The next is eagle. Eagle likes to eat snakes, rats, and rabbits. The next is parrot. Parrot likes to eat ripe fruits, nuts, and its favorite food is green chilies. The next is hummingbird. Hummingbird feeds on nectar from flower. Nectar is a sweet liquid from which honeybees make honey. Okay, so hummingbird feeds on nectar. Next is duck. Duck eats water plants and small water animals. The next bird we have here is weaver. It likes to eat seeds. The next is myna. Myna likes to eat fruits and worms, whereas a pigeon feeds on grains and seeds. There are many kinds of birds. We see them on tree, on ground, in water, in and around bushes, in the house, flying here and there, etc. Okay, so here I've brought you a small bird chart in which you can see a few familiar birds. Okay, so here also I've got a few birds, so you can have a look at these birds. Okay children, so this was all in this video. Thank you.